is an adorable set by Puppy Dog Pals. It's a 10-piece set that comes with most of the characters from the show. It comes with Bingo and Rolly, Kia, Bob. It comes with this little robot thing that like serves treats. The only thing is it doesn't come with the cat that's on the show. I'm not really sure why. She's probably one of the main characters and they could have kind of done probably without this guy and added her, but that's okay. And Bob's kind of stuck in this position in Indian style, so there's that. But other than that, it's really cute. You can play with it with the little play sets that they have, or on its own. It comes with their little feeding bowls too, and a little brush. They are posable. They do bend, so you can. Bingo and Rolly are, at least. Bob isn't, but they're really cute. The show is absolutely adorable. If you haven't watched it, it's on Disney. It's on Disney Junior, I believe, and it's so cute. They have little problems that they have to solve for their owner, and then they go on little missions to help their owner out, who's named Bob. Bob is an inventor, and he makes all different things. So it's just a really sweet show. The toys are adorable. Who doesn't love dogs? It's just a really fun gift for someone.